DJI Air 3. Zoom, zoom. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. Thoroughly enjoyed my second flight with the DJI Air 3. I'm having a blast with this drone. Today I wasn't able to fly in my usual spot because of the activity there, so I went on down to the clubhouse and I wanted to test primarily today the telephoto lens features of the DJI Air 3. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Get the screen recording started. Okay, screen recording is getting started. Looks like I have 23 satellites. That's good. And we're going to do 4K 50, 4K 60. Okay, we are at 4K 60. We have started recording. Tap text mode, aircraft view, auto check results. Confirm. All right.
Home point updated.
Please check it on the map. All right. Let's get up here. Okay, that was weird. Okay. Love the ascent speed on this. It's just absolutely incredible. We're going to be testing the DJI Zoom here today. It's just an awesome feature on this drone. Let's go ahead and back this up here a little bit. Not flying in my usual area because there's some activity over there today. So up here over the clubhouse. And what I'm going to do is let's see if we can kind of tilt the gimbal down there. There we go. Just kind of move this way here a little bit. All right, and let's go ahead and tilt the gimbal some more. Let's look at that zoom. That's looking pretty good here. Now again, this is through the camera here, and you can see the back of the pool area that we're at. And let's go ahead. I'm going to do this slow. Try to do this slow using the thumb wheel. Let's do this. Try this again. Find the right amount of pressure on that. Okay, that's good. That's good. Let's go ahead and get it back to normal. All right, we're going to go ahead and raise up altitude here a little bit. Go out here. I don't think there's anybody in the pool, but I also want to go ahead and take a look at the other facilities that we have here. Let's go ahead and go forward a little bit. And take a look in the background. We have pickleball courts and tennis courts over there. Let's kind of head this way. I could show you some more of that. Again, the zoom looks really good, again, but it's not from the video perspective. And we'll take a look at the video perspective. In the kind of in the center right there is the kiosk where we all get our mail, all our mails delivered there, which is real nice. There's no mailboxes that we have up here. So I'm going to go ahead and let's. Okay, that's all the way in. Let's go ahead and back that out. We back that out now. And adjust the gimbal here a little bit. And take a look at the back of the development right there. Now we stopped the recording and I want to hit. There we are. We're using the other lens right now. This is incredible, the detail on this. Let's go ahead and move the gimbal down here a little bit. look at that. That detail there is just absolutely incredible. I think those are the bocce ball courts, and those are either pickleball or tennis courts over there. I think we have a dog walking area in this vicinity as well. It's a very interesting shot. There's the dog walking facility over there. And I wasn't recording this, so I'm going to be recording this now. Let's go ahead. So I want everybody to take a look at it. Incredible feature with the zoom. It's really very, very, very interesting. Okay, let's go ahead and we're going to back off on this and look at it from this perspective. I love having these two separate lenses here on the camera. It's absolutely fantastic. Let's go ahead. We're going to back up here a little bit. Forward here. I'm going to turn this way. Back up a little more. I'm setting up shots here is what I'm doing, just to let everybody know. Let's slide on over this way here. Take a look at the full-on clubhouse. Back up just a little more. Let's go ahead and raise the pitch of the gimbal here a little bit. You can actually see the number on the clubhouse right there. Again, from what I'm seeing on my viewfinder, it looks great. I'm going to go ahead and slide over here a little bit. Let's adjust the pitch of the gimbal here a little bit. And there's yours truly. If you can see the car, I'm standing right next to the car. Had my hand up in the air, and you can see the landing pad over there as well. So all in all, this is really enjoying this new zoom feature. Oop, I'm doing that a little too fast. Sorry about that. You need to have a nice touch on the thumb wheel here. Let's back that out here a little bit. We're going to go to the back of the clubhouse here, and we're going to try to get the same kind of shot, only from the back. And it's a kind of a swampy area over there. So, okay, we're there. Let's go ahead and kind of get this turned around here. Up. Okay, let's kind of adjust this here a little bit. We're looking at the back of the clubhouse with pools here. I don't want to go in too close because there are people swimming here. I want to respect their privacy, but yeah, it's so this is a wonderful shot here. Really enjoying this. We're going to stop this recording. We're going to go back to the normal camera. Let's go ahead and do that. And now we're going to go ahead and do return to home.
Return to home.
Still can see pretty good on the RC2 controller. It is a very bright sunny day, and it is, as someone else has said so often, brutal. It is just absolutely brutal out here. Okay, let's see how well we do with the landing here. Wind has actually picked up a little bit here right before landing, believe it or not. And we're looking really good here. Okay, all said, this was a very successful test flight of the telephoto capabilities of the DJI Air 3. Question of the day: what did you think of the DJI Air 3 Zoom? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.